Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, ain't feeling easier to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, ain't feeling easier to make you fly. Here we go.
Today we will do a small tongue twister session. Okay, is it visible to you all now?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, I'll tell you what tongue twister is. Tongue twister is a sequence of words that is difficult to pronounce quickly and correctly. Okay, even native English speakers find the tongue twisters on this page difficult to say quickly. So you have to try them, but try them to say as fast as possible but correctly. Okay, so first tongue twister. Okay, anyone, can you take initiative? I want people to take initiative today. I would like.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry? So can anyone nominate yourself and read the first tongue twister?
Ma'am, I can.
Okay. Yeah, proceed.
A proper copper coffee pot. 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 Is it fine, ma'am?
Okay, yes, it is fine. Good. Good, Sanima, very nice initiative.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anjali Kumari, can you please read the second two tongue twisters?
Okay. Around the rocks, the ragged rascals ran.
Next one, please.
Long-legged ladies last longer. Pink lorry, yellow lorry. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather.
Okay, so one second, hold on. Okay, you read the second point to the fifth point again. So, till the leather point. Okay, from second wherever you started. Once again, 2 times.
Okay. Around the rugged rocks, the ragged rascals ran. Long-legged ladies last longer. Pink lorry, yellow lorry. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. She sells on the seashore.
Okay, can you read this? She shells on the seashore once again.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Once more. I want you to be fluent.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
She sells on the seashore. Okay. So the next person would be just one moment. Okay. Please take care of yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Can you, Janvi, will you be able to read the next 3 sentences?
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am,
4.
for sure. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Wait. So I'll tell you to read. See from that sentence. Till the well swam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. The sick shake, 6th sheep is sick. Swam over the pond. Swim. Swam back again. Well, swam.
Okay, very well said. Nice, Janvi. The next person is Miss George. Miss George?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please read 3 grey geese in green fields gazing? Till
3 grey geese in green field grazing. We surely shall see the sun shine soon. A box of biscuit, a box of mixed biscuits, and the biscuits mixer. proper coffee pot.
Okay, so this is for opening your mouth. Why I'm doing this tongue twister practice is because some of you doesn't open your mouth and speak. This is the reason I'm doing this tongue twister session, so that you know it is like an exercise for your jaw, it is exercise for your tongue. Okay, so more used to this kind of tongue twister. Practice it. Take a screenshot of this. You practice it every day. I'm 100% sure that you will be able to speak every word clearly and it will be understandable by the other person. Okay, all of you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you share the PDF? Which one, ma'am, which you are showing it?
You can just take a screenshot of this tongue twisters, practice it.
Ma'am, I cannot see it properly. Ma'am, you just zoom it once.
But others are able to see, I mean, they were reading.
Ma'am, now it's fully visible.
Yeah. Please take a screenshot, whoever wants. Do practice it every day. You need to practice this every day. It is a jaw exercise for you to better pronunciation. It will increase your fluency, pronunciation, all those things. So next person is Celsia. Celsia, can you read till from how much would till that sentence only you read. It's a big sentence.
Okay, ma'am. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? A woodchuck if a woodchuck would chuck. Ma'am, it became blank.
Just 1 moment. Yeah.
Here. A woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood, would chuck as much as would a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Once more. Yeah, once more.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? A woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood, would chuck as much as wood as a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Okay, Celsia, you were very good in reading tongue twisters. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
So other person is Naresh. Naresh? Naresh, don't even talk to me. Naresh? Naresh? Naresh, are you there? Naresh? Naresh, I'll be strict, okay, if you will not reply. See, if you will not reply, your attendance will be 0. It will be a problem for you to attend the exam then. Naresh? Naresh is not present.
Hello.
Okay, Naresh. Okay. Naresh, can you read long-legged ladies last longer till the seashell sentence? So Naresh, can you please read the sentence from long-legged ladies that last longer till round and round? That sentence. 1 second. Round and round the rug rock, the rascal run. So till here, can you please read the sentences? Tongue twisters. Long leg till the rascal run.
Long leg last longer. Green field grazing. We surely shall see the sun shine soon. Round and round the rock of raged. She seals.
Yes, Naresh.
She seals on the not clarity, ma'am. She shall the shields.
Not clear? Read from here.
I am sure, but if she seals, she seals on the seats. I am sure the seashore seals. What noise any noise and oyster?
Be loud. Naresh, be loud.
What noise any noise on oyster? Any noise on an oyster, but noise and oyster most. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Red,
Wait.
yellow, lore.
But hold on, you read from the long leg ladies once more. Long leg ladies last longer from that sentence to that old.
Long leg ladies last longer. Three graze in green field grazing. We surely shall see the sun shine soon. Round and round the rock the red rascal run. She shields on the seashore. The shields or sea shields. I am sure, but if she shields on the seashore, I am sure she shields seashore shells. What noise? Any noise and oyster. Any noise, a noise and oyster. Any noise and oyster most. Red leather, yellow leather.
Wait, again from the long leg. I need you to be perfect. That is why I'm asking you to read that. If you're doing this exercise, no, Naresh, you'll be able to speak very properly. No, because you stop in between, you pause in between. No, that is the reason, because you don't practice. If you practice this, it will be all right. The problem that you have. Read it again, Naresh.
Which one, ma'am?
From long leg ladies last longer.
Long leg ladies last longer. Three grease in green field grazing. We surely shall see the sun shine soon. Round and round the raised rock the raised run. She shields on the seashore. The shields or seashells. I am sure, but if she shields on the seashore, I am sure the seashore. Yes.
No, not I am sure. It is not sure, it is sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. What noise and oyster? Any noise and oyster, but noise any noise and oyster most. Red leather, yellow leather, yellow leather.
Stop. You mute yourself. You practice the whole tongue twister again. Read the whole tongue twisters again. Next time when I ask you, you should be clearly saying.
Okay.
Like long leg ladies last longer. In a one flow, the words should be clear. You have to exercise it, so that next time when you read, you do not have to round and round. You don't read like that. Long leg ladies last longer. Please, please practice it so much that you will be very pro in this. Okay. Okay. Naresh, keep on practicing. Mute yourself and practice. I'll call your name. So next person is Parvati. Parvati, can you please read down the regular sentence till the trust Caesar trust Caesar. No, from red leather, red leather, yellow leather, Red leather, yellow leather.
Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. She says on the shoe the
No. Wait. Please read it continuously from red leather, yellow leather, red lorry. That sentence I was. Sorry.
This line.
Can you see? I'm zooming it for you.
Ma'am, I'm reading from WhatsApp.
Okay, please check the screen, Parvati.
Yes, ma'am. Fifth sentence.
Red leather from the sentence of red leather till trestle sizzle. See, I'm zooming the screen for you. Parvati, are you there? Got it?
She says, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red lorry, yellow lorry. I wish to wash my iris with wash. Near is ear, a nearer ear, a nearly ear. On a lazy razor lies a razor. Scissor. Song through three.
One second. Hold on. 1 second, you read that.
This one. Scissor.
No, red leather from red leather.
Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red lorry, yellow lorry. I wish to wash my iris with wash. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. On a lazy razor, lies a laser razor. Scissor.
Okay, please practice. Stop. Parvati, you practice. I'll ask you again later. Okay, you should be, when you're speaking, you should not stop in between. Practice so much that it will be so clear to you that you speak it in a flow. Okay, alright? Okay, next Philip. Philip?
Yes, ma'am.
Philip, can you please read from Tom True Team 3 that till the if Peter picked, okay, like from that till that, like 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sentences from Tom True.
Okay. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Peter picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper.
Okay. Read once more. Philip.
Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks.
Thumbback. Not thumbbacks, it is thumbtacks. Thumbtacks. Thumbtacks, yes.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked?
Okay, please read this once more, okay? I'll ask you again. Philip?
The last two?
The pepper one only. Which you read now? Or else read the whole thing, I'll ask any of them. Keep on.
Ma'am, the thing vanished away from the screen.
Sorry?
The image went away from the screen.
I know, but you have the WhatsApp, no? No WhatsApp.
Oh, no, actually, ma'am, I'm not added in that group.
Okay, fine. You take a screenshot. Wait.
Okay, the last two lines, right?
Whole thing you practice, it will make you a better, give you a better pronunciation, and you can speak clearly and fluently. You speak you practice all the lines. I'll ask any of them. Okay, this is like a jaw exercise for you. I'm making you exercise your jaw for better pronunciation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next person would be Rohit. Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit, can you please read this for me? The last 4 sentences
Okay, ma'am.
from Rise, Watch, Ross till last.
Okay, ma'am. Rice watched Rose switch his Irish wristwatch for a Swiss wristwatch. 2 EYs for me. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Spread it thick, say it quick. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread.
And the petter people picked also.
I'm from Tom 3.
No, next line.
Did Peter pick up peck of pickled pepper? If Peter picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked?
Once more.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked? Rice washed Rose switched his Irish watch for a Swiss wristwatch. 2 Ys for me. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Spread it thick, say it quick. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread.
Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shubham? Shubham?
Yes,
Shubham?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, can you please read this one? Spread it thicker, say it quicker, yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, all this. Okay, not required.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay, you can read this. 1 second. Red leather, yellow leather. You can continue reading it till sizzle.
Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. Red lorry, yellow lorry. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch near an ear and nearer ear, a nearer Irish ear, on a lazy razor lies in razor, crystal sizzle, Tom Team 3 contact. Peter Piper picked a pack pickled pepper. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper, if Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper, where's the pack of the pickled pepper Peter picked? Rice was
Hold on. Read from the petter people till people picked. People from till people picked.
Okay. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. If Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper, if Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper, where's the pack of pickled pepper pack?
Okay. You study this petter, picker, picked. A pick of all this you study. Okay. This is very tough tongue twister. That's why all of you will have a good exercise if you will practice this. It will be good exercise for all of you to for your tongue to release all the if there is any blockage of jaws or anything. Okay, your lips, anything. So everything will be wide open or everything will be clear if you practice this speaking this tongue twisters. So please practice this. I'll ask. Okay. Sona, Sona?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this Peter Piper?
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where is the peck of pickled pepper? Peter Piper picked.
No. Again you read. Picked, no, it's not picked, it's picked. Picked.
Peter Piper picked a
Picked is not picked. I already saw it. Picked.
Peter Piper picked.
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 Yes, picked.
Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper
Pick a peck of people picker.
peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, was the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked?
Again picked. Pick. It's picked.
Picked. Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where is a peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked?
Okay, read again. You have done a lots of and pronunciation mistake. Where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? Okay.
Okay.
Where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? Okay, so this sentence is pickled. You will pronounce peck. Where's the peck? It is not. It is peck. Where's the peck of pickled pepper? Pepper. It's pepper. Peter. Picked. Alright. Can you read the sentence with the correct pronunciation?
Okay.
Where's the peck of pickled pepper? Sorry. Peter Piper picked. Read that sentence once again. Where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked?
Okay. Sorry, ma'am.
Could you read that sentence?
Yes. Peter
First,
picked
the pronunciation. First, know the pronunciation. It's Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Okay, did Peter Piper pick pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? First, understand the pronunciation, then you speak. Don't speak wrong pronunciation like pepper, picked, all is not. It should be picked. Pepper and Peter and Piper. Okay?
Okay.
Please. You practice. Sumita? Sumita, are you there? Sumida? Okay, Teresa?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please read Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper?
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper.
Not pickled. It's pickled. Pickled. Not pickled.
Okay, pickled.
It's pickled. Just stop there only. Don't say pickled.
Okay.
Pickle pepper.
Okay.
Can you pronounce pickle?
Pickle.
Pronounce it with me. Pickle.
Pickle.
Yeah. Okay. Read please.
Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Pepper?
Again. That's fine. You just say pickle. Pickle. You pickled and don't say like that. It's just pickle. Pickle. That's it.
Pickle.
Start pickle. Yeah. Okay. Pronounce it 5 times. Pickled. 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 Pickled.
Pickled.
Again wrong pronunciation. Not spickled. How you're pronouncing, it sounds like pickled.
Pickled.
Don't stretch the last word. Say pickle. That's it. Pickle. That's it. Pickled. No, don't say pickled. That is influence of MTI. Okay, just pickle. Now pronounce it once again.
Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper? Did Peter Pepper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper.
I have a habit of saying in the last. Try to avoid it. Okay, you try saying pickle. Okay, just don't say pickled.
Okay.
Alright. Person A, Umra. Yes, Umra, can you read this for me? Pepper.
Yes, ma'am.
Read please.
Ma'am, did Peter wala?
Peter Pepper picked a peck of pepper. That sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Peter Pepper picked a peck of picked pepper. Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Pepper.
Pepper. It's pepper.
Okay, ma'am. Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper.
Okay, Veena.
Yes, ma'am.
Veena, can you read the same sentence?
Ma'am, that teacher one.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Pepper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where is the peck of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked?
Okay, good. Good, Veena.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read that sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Peter Pepper.
Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Did Peter Pepper pick a pack of pickled pepper? If Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper, where's the pack of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked?
Okay, good. I want to listen this from everyone. Janvi? Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read that?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Ma'am, from screenshot I have to read over it.
Anywhere, Peter Pepper picked from that sentence. That whole paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Did Peter Pepper pick a pack of pickled pepper? If Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper, where's the pack of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked? Rice watched Ross switch his iris wristwatch for his wristwatch. Wait a minute. 2 years of me, yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Spread it thick, say it quick. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread.
Okay, good, Janvi.
Thank
Miss
you, ma'am.
Javier, Miss Javier,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read that Peter Pepper?
Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Did Peter Pepper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's the pack of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked?
Okay, good. Naresh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please read it Peter Pepper?
If Peter Pepper picked a pick of pepper.
Naresh, you need lots of practice. Okay, Naresh, continue. Naresh,
Yes, ma'am.
please continue.
If Peter Pepper picked a pick of pickled pepper, where's the pick of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked?
It's not picked. It's not picked. It's picked. It's picked. It's not picked. Is there any
Right,
you picked? Is there any U after the picked letter? After the D, is there any U letter? Huh?
Okay.
So and pick, is it pick? It's pack. Have you seen any I here? P-A-C-K. Have you seen any I here? Have you seen any P-I-E-E-E-C-K? Then it will be pick. It is a pack. Where's the pack of pickled pepper? Pickled, not pickled. Who is telling you to pronounce as do at the last? Huh? How did you learn that wrong pronunciation? Naresh?
Peter picked.
Please read it from the starting.
If Peter Pepper picked a pick of packed paper.
Pickle pepper. Pickle pepper. Read.
Where's the pick of packed paper Peter Pepper picked? Yes, what?
Naresh, you have to practice. You don't practice, right? Even if I tell you. Huh? Don't practice, right?
I did mine already.
How? I have not seen any improvement. Is it the practice that you're showing me, the improvement you're showing me after if you practice?
Okay.
What okay? Read it again. The correct pronunciation.
If Peter Pepper picked a pick of picked paper.
Packed. Now it's packed. Now it became packed.
If Peter Pepper picked a pick of
Packed?
packed
Or
paper.
it is get packed. Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Where it is written packed? Where you found the word pack? Can you show me? Repeat after me. Naresh,
Okay.
how I'm saying, you repeat after me. Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Repeat.
Peter Pepper picked a pick of packed
This
paper.
is packed. Who said packed? It's picked. Picked.
Pick.
Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Say.
Peter Pepper picked a pick of Peter paper.
Peter Pepper picked a pack.
Peter
Peter
Pepper Peter Pepper
Picked a pack
picked a pack
of pickled pepper. Yes.
of pickled pepper.
Did Peter Pepper pick?
Peter Pepper picked a pick of picked paper.
If Peter Piper
If Peter Piper
picked a pack of
a pack of
pickled pepper,
pickled pepper,
where's the pack of
where is the pack of
pickled pepper
pickled pepper
Peter Piper picked?
Peter Piper picked?
Yes, read again. Read again.
Peter
Peter Piper picked.
Peter Piper picked a peck of
You will not learn, no, Naresh. You are not learning only. Take a notebook. Write the pronunciation, record the pronunciation. I don't know what you do, but you have to tell me a correct pronunciation. Who said it's pecked and who said it's picked? It is P-I-C-K-E-D. Pronunciation is picked. Okay, the word P-I-C-K-E-D. Pronunciation is picked. And the word P-E-C-K. Pronunciation of this P-E-C-K is peck. Understood? Naresh?
Okay.
Can you tell me the pronunciation of P-I-C-K-E-D?
Pickled.
Sorry?
Pickled.
Are you hearing to my what I'm saying, or you're just answering without even hearing? Listen to my question first, then answer.
Okay.
P-I-C-K-E-D. What is the pronunciation of that word?
Pickled. Pickled.
Who said it pickle? Did I pronounce any L in between? Did I not tell you to hear it properly when I'm saying something? It's so disappointing, Naresh. You are not listening only to me. How will you improve? If you will talk like this, then it will be a problem for you. If you don't want to learn, I will not teach you. But let me know if you really don't want to learn. I'm trying my best to give you a good this thing, but you are not giving any interest from your side. I told you to listen to me carefully. You didn't even listen. Listen to me carefully, okay? First listen to me carefully. Listen to the question first, then answer. Do not answer just by listening the first or two words. Do not get a confusion by hearing half of the question. Alright?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so my question is, listen to the question now. Picked. P-I-C-K-E-D. P-I-C-K-E-D. That is picked. Okay. And P-E-C-K. It is peck. P-E-C-K is peck. P-I-C-K is pick. And P-I-C-K-L-E-D. That is pickled. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll tell you the word. You have to tell me the correct pronunciation. P-E-C-K.
Picked.
Are you having any hearing issues? Am I not audible to you properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Just take a notebook, paper and a pen. Write down what the alphabets that I'm dictating. Then tell me the pronunciation. P-E-C-K. What is the pronunciation of this word? Naresh? Naresh?
Yes, sir.
P-E-C-K. How will you pronounce this word? Sorry?
Pick, ma'am.
Pack. It is P-E-C-K, pack. Peck.
Peck.
Yes. P-E-C-K. Write it down. P-E-C-K. Pronounce it as peck. Alright? Naresh? Naresh, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
P-E-C-K is peck. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the pronunciation of P-E-C-K?
Peck.
What is the pronunciation of P-I-C-K?
Peck.
Sorry?
Peck.
Yes. Understood the difference between peck and pick? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Peck.
P-I-C-K is pick. P-E-C-K is peck. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the spelling of pick now?
P-I-C-K.
And peck?
P-E-C-K.
Okay. What is the pronunciation of picked? Picked.
Peck.
Yeah, picked. Picked. What is the pronunciation of picked? What is the... Can you please spell that word? Yes, picked. Can you please tell me the spelling?
P-I-C-K-E-D.
Yes, picked. And what is the pronunciation of pickled?
P-I-C-K-E-L-D.
P-I-C-K-L-E-D. Alright?
P-I-C-K-B-A-D. Pickled.
Yes. Pickled. Pickled. Now please read it.
Peter Piper picked a pick of pickled pepper.
Yeah. Next line.
Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper? If Peter Piper picked a pick of pickled pepper, where's the pick of pickled
Again pick.
pepper?
Again pick. Where's the pick?
Where's the peck of pickled pepper?
Yes. Then?
Peter Piper picked.
Picked. Yeah. Okay, Naresh, please. And now please practice this. Very important for you to practice, okay? If you want to be in aviation, you have to practice a lot on your conversation, speaking skills. This personality development class is the main thing aviation students should have. It is the most important part, okay? Have you seen any people working in the airport and they doesn't know how to communicate in good English? Any one of you, have you seen any such person who is working in airlines and they doesn't know how to speak in English?
Ma'am, I'm studying Telugu medium, ma'am, in Inter.
Okay, so but now you have chosen whatever medium you have studied, no problem. You can study in any mediums. But the thing is that you are going to enter something which the main mode of communication is through a language called English. Okay, so you have to how will you communicate with passengers coming from foreign? How will you communicate with passengers coming from different countries? So will the companies hire you if you don't know how to speak in English? Do you think that? English is an international language. Everyone should know how to communicate, how to speak correctly. Especially in aviation, because you will be communicating and you will be getting in touch with so many people who are from different countries. Okay, so please understand the value of this personality development class, because in aviation it is very important. I don't know in other industry, but in aviation it's the most important thing
because when you talk to a person who is coming from another country, you don't know who is he, who is from which department he is. You are representing. Leave about representing your airline. You are representing your country in front of them. If you will speak like this, you will show that the Indians are very, they don't know how to speak. They will judge. You will judge the whole Indian community, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So please take care of this. Okay, Parvati. Parvati, are you there? Parvati, can you please read this Peter Piper? Parvati?
Peck of thick pepper, where the peck of pickled pepper, Peter Piper did. Rice was blue, cooked with Irish fish toasted biscuit, white pony, yellow butter, pepper, chili, red jam, black pepper.
Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. Read the 4 lines of Peter Piper picked. There are 4 lines of Peter Piper picked. You read all the lines.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. With Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. With Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Where the peck of pickled pepper, Peter Piper picked.
Okay, good, nice, very nice, Parvati, very good. Very nice to do that. Well done. Next person, all of them other than this, Philip also did. Okay. Next, we'll do some other tasks now. Okay. Let's do a group discussion today. There will be 2 groups, okay? So in first group, Alina, Anjali, Janvi, George, Naresh, Parvati, Rohit, Celsia. First group. And second group, Shubham, Sona, Srinivas, Sumita, Trisa, Umra, Veena, and Veena. Okay? Could you able to remember your groups, all of you? Or shall I say it again?
Ma'am, tell once more.
Alina, Anjali, Janvi, George, Naresh, Parvati, Rohit, Celsia in one group. Second group, Shubham. Okay, no need. Celsia, you be in the second group, okay? Celsia, Shubham, Sona, Srinivas, Sumita, Trisa, Umra, Veena, second group. Alright?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the first group we'll speak about 1 second. Okay, so the first group will speak about the current pandemic, that is about COVID-19, impact of COVID-19 in the global, in the global economy. First group will speak about impact of COVID-19 in the global economy, and second group will speak about women empowerment. Okay, when the first group, each person has to take initiative, each person has to speak 2 lines each. So one person speaking and one person not speaking, that will not be encouraged and appreciated. If Alina is speaking 2 points, Anjali also should speak 2 points, Janvi also should speak 2 points. So together there are how many of you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people. 8 to 0, 16. So there should be 16 lines total. All the persons should speak 2 lines each. Alright? Okay, if not 2 lines, then you can speak 1 line each, but everyone should speak. Okay, that is the rule. And when the group A will be speaking, then group B will notice all the, will observe, group B will observe how the person is speaking, what all needs to be improved by that person.
because now I don't want to judge. I want you to judge yourself by your teammates. Okay, so your teammates will tell you where all you have to improve, because your teammates are also well trained. So they have been getting personality development training since last 3 weeks. Okay, so I want your teammates to tell you what all mistakes you are making and where all it should be rectified. So group A, while you talk, group B, please notice where the mistake is made by your teammate, and where all she has to improve, and all the things. Follow the guidelines while judging them. Whenever you're judging them, you see if she has missed anything from the guideline that I have mentioned. All right, all of you, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so group A, I'm giving you 5 minutes of time. You can take 10 minutes also if you want. Group A can discuss about their topic. Group A, any doubt, please let me know. So your topic is impact of coronavirus on global economy. And group B, the topic is women empowerment. All right? Am I clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
All of you?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, actually I'm not feeling well.
Okay, what happened?
Actually, I'm just traveling for Hyderabad, so I'm having a car phobia. So it's just getting vomit.
Okay.
Ma'am, will you please excuse me to quit a class for today?
I'm sick, you guys are waiting. During the class time, please do not travel.
Yeah, that's what, ma'am.
Please do not repeat this, Srinivas. You can take care of yourself right now.
Okay, ma'am.
During class, please do not travel.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, group A, please, can you just, group A? Group A, please respond. Alina?
Ma'am, tell the question once more.
Yes, ma'am.
Alina, Anjali, Janvi, Xavier, Parvati, Naresh, Philip, and Rohit. So the question is that you have to speak about globalization. You have to speak about impact of COVID on global economy. Impact of COVID-19 on global economy. All right.
Okay.
This is for group 1. And for group 2, it is women empowerment. Okay? Group 2, are you listening? Please respond, all of you. Kindly everyone unmute yourself and switch your video on. All of you, please switch your video on. All of you, please switch your video on. Rohit, Janvi, Alina, Anjali, Janvi, are you there? Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please switch on video.
And video is on.
Okay, so everyone should switch on the video and group, you know, right? That is what I said. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, group 1, please discuss. Group 1, everyone should speak at least one line, okay? Please, Alina, start. Janvi, start.
Just a minute. Can you give me 5 minutes of time?
Okay. Okay. Rohit,
Can I?
Rohit, can you please discuss? Philip? Alina?
Ma'am, may I start?
Yeah. Very good, Rohit. Please do start. Rohit, very nice. Thank you for taking an initiative. Please take.
It's okay, ma'am. And the thing is, ma'am, the coronavirus pandemic was detected in China, which has infected.
Discuss this with your teammates. I want to hear it. I want to because I will be seeing how your leadership qualities, how good team player you are. I want to see your team player. This thing, okay? How good you will play in a team. That I want to see. Parvati, Naresh, please switch on the video and speak up. I request Parvati, Naresh, and Janvi and Javier.
Ma'am, may I start?
Yes, you please start. Rest of all, I need to switch on the videos and then you can sit here, listen to your teammate. Naresh and Parvati. Javier, Miss Javier.
My camera is on, ma'am.
Okay, please discuss, all of you.
The coronavirus pandemic, which was first detected in China, has infected people in around 188 countries, and it has left business around the world counting cost and wondering what it would look like. It has a huge impact on the business.
Next person. Next person.
Yeah. Can I do that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. As the topic, the COVID-19 has made a huge impact on our economy. 2020 was not good year for all of us. We are going through a good phase, and suddenly a virus came and it affected people from all walks of life. And we went to a huge lockdown, and it just affects all kind of business, and everyone lost their jobs, and it just affects the whole economy.
Next person.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, can I start?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, this COVID-19 it is very dangerous disease, and also it spread all over the world. Especially after when China has started this disease, it spread greatly. It is very dangerous, and also all the business were closed, schools were also closed. No any business are started, and also we are in a lockdown.
Next person.
May I?
Yes.
Okay, so COVID-19 is not a global pandemic or public health crisis, but it also affected the global economy and financial markets, and because of that, it caused the reduction of money, even the unemployment rises, and it also affected the transportation services.
Okay, good, Janvi. Good, everyone. Naresh, can you start? Rohit, very good. Naresh? Javier, very nice. Elena, also well said. Naresh?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, can you start?
Very long-term damage.
Sorry, a little louder. Little louder.
This COVID-19 long-term damage to financial output,
Okay.
productivity growth.
That's it. Naresh?
And all businesses and schools, colleges is closed.
Naresh, not satisfied with your answer, okay? Don't say just for the sake of it. Don't just keep saying things which your teammates have already said. Don't repeat the things. Try to say something of your own. Try to do a research. I gave you time. You can do a small research in the net also and then speak. But
give me small time, ma'am.
Sorry?
Give me 2 minutes time, ma'am. I told you.
Okay, take your time. Naresh, please speak, or you can pass it.
The COVID-19 pandemic pushes economy into a great lockdown.
Okay.
Which helped to contain the virus and save lives, but also triggered the worst recession since the Great Depression.
Okay. Okay, Naresh. Good. Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
What about, can you speak? It is a group discussion, guys. I do not have to point you. You should take initiative. You should take the own opportunity to speak out, to make yourself confident, to make yourself more smart. You will feel good. You know, the moment I speak, the moment I perform in a group, when I speak, till the time I am not able to speak, when I'm able to speak, I feel good. I feel more confident. It increases my confidence. It boosts up me to be more confident while speaking. But see, I have to keep on telling your names again and again. This is not the way you should participate. You should do it for yourself, not for me, not for the sake of the class. You should do it for yourself, to make yourself satisfied that yes, I can perform, yes, I can do it, yes, I'll feel good if I am able to perform. You should think like that, people, all of you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anjali, proceed.
Okay, ma'am. In this corona time, in shops, public gathering is banned. There are many industries are get switched. Example, movie theaters, schools. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, good, Anjali. Next group. Group number B.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll give you on women empowerment. Can all of you speak one by one? For this group, at least I want all of you to take initiative and then speak. Hello. Okay. Once you show me that how you're enjoying the session or not, you enjoy speaking up or not, you enjoy when you hear yourself speaking in front of your teammates, how do you feel? I want to know that. So I want all of you to take initiative by yourself. I don't want to call out this. Alright?
Thanks, ma'am.
Start.
Okay, can I include?
Sure.
Okay, I'm representing Group 2. Our topic is women empowerment. Okay, when it comes to women empowerment, it is the problem is there. We can see its history long before, where what causes this women empowerment is that gender equality. I'm not telling that everyone like what men is having is the same as like women also need. But the problems faced by women in the society is severe, and it is getting it at most. You can see daily violences against women is increasing, rape and all those things. And also this equality problem we can see in several sectors, whether it is a profession. You can see in profession, women and men coming and joining the same profession in the same role, and they are still doing their work equally, but the wages they are getting paid is different. What makes it?
But whenever a girl stands up and talks about her rights, it's her own rights, and always society is telling that she is a feminist, and always that makes a certain level that these issues have been get. I think these issues have been get banged by that label, because whenever a girl is speaking about her rights, everyone telling that she is a feminist, so feminism is coming over and again. But it has nothing to do with this woman empowerment. It is a different level. So I think the Western, we can see that in every aspect we always copy in Western countries, but in this case also they are also not that much great. We can see these women issues and women inequality problems there also. I think whole world has to make a proper, social reforms to improve it. Yeah, that's all my point.
Very good, Veena. Very well said, very well framed, and very confidently you said whatever you said. I just felt like you were really speaking about women empowerment in some conference. Very nice, Veena. You are a very good speaker. I would really clap for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Next person. And thank you for taking initiative, and thank you for showing initiative every day. I could see the way you take initiative every day, Veena. I mean, you are a great student. Also, by seeing your dedication, I can surely tell that you'll do great in your life, Veena. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
next.
Sure.
Shubham.
Okay, Shubham, please tell.
As Veena said just now, that only the women are getting gender equality. But according to me, in India, the Mahatma Gandhi Company, the father of the nation, had taken a second roundtable conference in 1931, which has taken as a justice with the social, economic and political. But even after 83 years of the declaration by the father of our nation, can we ask ourselves the sure question, the women are really empowered for that? But according to me, it's yes. Women are leading a happier life than before. They don't compromise with the marriage, does not turn out well. They are becoming the self-independent and their health is better as compared to the earlier decades. Women are now entering into the job market in increasing numbers. They are showing their skills even in not traditional sectors like police, defense, administration, media and research fields. And the second point is that the women are features the factors a lot of opportunities occur for the women in various fields because of reservation and open-mindedness of the society, like the period of getting fat during when they suffer from period. We are now witnessing a study of empowerment in the enrollment of the women in the schools, colleges and even in the professional institutes. According to the 2001 census, the percentage of female literacy in the census was the 54% as compared to the 9% in 1951. In the political field, the reservation for the woman is a significant step forward towards the political empowerment. Today, women are emerging as a leader in growing range of fields, be it aeronautics, medicine, space, engineering, law, politics, education, business, etc. That's it.
Okay, very nice, Rohit. Very good knowledge you have shared. Very well said. I really appreciate for your time that you have taken to prepare, and I really appreciate that you were speaking. Very nice, Rohit. Very nice. Well said.
Ma'am, my name is Shubham.
Oh, so sorry, Shubham. I'm really so sorry, Shubham. Very nice. Very good, Shubham.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Next, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, my name is Celsia De Silva and I am representing Group E and our topic is women empowerment.
Okay.
So, as Veena said, I totally agree with her point. that women are not getting that much of attention as much as men are getting. But India is still improving. Like if we go and see in the olden days, women were not allowed to do anything, like Shubham said. Now at least women are getting jobs in media or Bollywood or any other sector as such. We can take an example of our aviation sector itself. There were only males working as pilots before, but now even females are getting an opportunity to work as a pilot. So India is improving, but still the illiteracy rate in India is still a lot. Because of which in the districts like UP, Bihar and all, still violence is happening. And they still feel that it is not their fault, it is the female's fault. For example, as Veena said, rape. Recently we heard a lot of cases regarding rape. And then when any police reporter or news reporter are talking to them, they think that it is nothing. They think that the girl is wearing short, so it is the girl's fault, and so on. So the minds of such people should be taught, they should be given knowledge about it, and they should be changing their mindset of thinking of girls in such a way. So for that, all the Indians should be like more of literate. Literacy rate should increase, in short.
Very good. Very nice. Veena, very nice that you were listening to your friends, you were listening to what they were saying, and you also gave a view on what they were saying. That is very good. Okay, Celsia, as always, you are always a good participator, and you are one of the students who never miss the class, and always, you concentrate and you always take part and initiative. This shows that you are interested in your field, aviation. Okay, very good. Whatever you work I have given you till now, very well you have handled every task, every role plays. Very nice. Well done. Thank you, Celsia. Next person in this group is left.
Me.
Yeah, please, Sona.
Empowerment has become a significant topic of discussion in development and economics. Women's economic empowerment refers to the ability for women to enjoy the right to control and benefit from their resources, assets, income, and their own time, as well as the ability to manage risk and improve their economic status and well-being.
Sorry?
Can you hear?
Yeah. You completed?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, good, Sona. Very good. You spoke up. That is more than enough for me. Very nice, Sona.
Thank you.
Okay, well said. Very good.
Thank you.
Next person.
Ma'am.
Yeah, please proceed.
Okay. Women empowerment is a process of empowering women. It can be defined in many ways. However, when taking about women empowerment means accepting and allowing people who are on the outside of the decision making process into it. Women's empowerment is the most crucial point when noted for the overall development of the country, and it is a process that creates power in individuals over their own lives, society, and in their communities. People are empowered when they are able to access the opportunities available to them without limitation and restriction, such as education, profession, and lifestyles. Feeling entitled to make your own decision creates a sense of empowerment. It is include the action of raising the status of women through education, raising awareness, literacy, and training. Also give training related to defense ourselves
It is all about equipping and allowing women to make life-determining decisions through the different problems in societies. That's it.
Okay, good, Teresa. Very nice that you made an effort to speak. Also, very good for taking initiative and very good for improving your fluency. I can see a lots of difference. Okay, Teresa. I think you are working on it. That's why you are able to speak. Very good, Teresa. Can you please also study the tongue twisters today?
Okay.
Okay, you study that, you will get a good fluency, you'll be able to speak more fluently. Alright, I think only one person left, Sumira. Okay, alright. So next for all of you, so group A and group B. So I told you to observe. So group B, now tell me the feedback of each person that you have observed while they were speaking. Group B, one person each will select any person, can select any person about group A, and you can tell what is the mistake as a group, also what were the missing part when they were speaking, and how will you how will you mark them as a team, like they are a team now, so out of 10 how much will you mark them? I need you to say that. Also the guidelines which I told that you have to follow it during speaking something. According to those guidelines, did they miss anything? You have to tell that. So group B, one each. So first person, group B. Can you please tell about group A? First person, anyone want to take initiative?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can one of you speak about group A?
Group A, they talked about corona pandemic issue and its after effects on the economy. All around they performed well, but each of them just said only one point, and also it should have been more focused on the after effects, but they said a little bit about the present issues. Yeah, that's all I have to say.
Exactly, I also have noticed that. Okay, I also have noticed that when I said impact means the after effect. It's not what is happening right now. It is what kind of effects it happened on the global economy. That is what my topic is. Yes, that is totally true. Okay, another person.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Yeah, so group 1 was good, but the coordination was not proper, I think. Because like if after one person there was silence, and then two actually were talking. Like they were not taking initiative.
Yes, that is totally true. That is very because nobody is performing like a group. I was calling out names, but nobody was taking initiative to perform as a group. Other than Shubham was the one who was speaking, who took initiative. Very good, Shubham. Other than that, he was
Shubham is from our group.
Sorry. Okay, Shubham is. Okay. Yes. Shubham is from your group. Okay, so any feedback you'd like to give about the individual persons? About Anjali?
No, I noticed that Xavier was quite nervous. Like she was touching her hair again and again. And last time you told that we shouldn't do that.
Yes. And what about other people? Naresh, Rohit, Janvi, Anjali?
Janvi was good. She was quite good.
Okay. And Naresh, Rohit, Anjali?
I guess Rohit just repeated the other lines, same lines.
Okay, Salshi, any feedback about Naresh and Anjali? Where they have to improve?
Actually, I was not able to hear them properly, so I don't know.
Okay, no problem, Salshi. Very good feedback. Shubham?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, any feedback you'd like to give about one?
and I'll give for the narration. He was really not confident for that.
Sorry,
And
able to hear you. I think it is echoing. Can you please take a earphone and then speak? It is echoing. Shubham?
Mami texted saying he has network issue.
No problem. No problem. Okay, Sumida, Trisha, any feedback you would like to give about group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
So many people are died in coronavirus and some income issues like share market and some financial issues are falling down and so many sectors are
Okay, Teresa, no problem. I understood what you said. Sona, any feedback about group 1? Sona? 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 Sona KP, are you there? Okay, I'll start about group 1 now. Group 1, any person can nominate yourself, and whatever I said, the guidelines and all, everything, any feedback you'd like to give about group 2? One of you please nominate yourself. Group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
May
you
I?
please? Yeah, sure, Janvi.
Okay. Ma'am, I didn't find anything bad in group 2 discussion because everything was perfect, like they were on main topic and there was a perfect coordination between them. So I didn't
Yes,
find
yes.
anything.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Very good, Janvi. Even I noticed that group 1, group 2, everyone was coordinating. They were coordinating and they were taking initiatives. And so group 2 won. Okay, in today's thing, group 2 won because group 1 there was no coordination and initiative taken by many people. Okay, I have to call out names again and again to discuss also. But group 2 I didn't have to do that thing. Everyone was taking initiative with their own. Very good, well done, group 2. And what about Rohit? Would you like to tell me? Okay, Rohit is from group 2 itself. Okay, Javier and Anjali, anything you'd like to tell about group 2?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, in group 2 they have done good. I like it very much. Many of them has done nicely. Great initiative also. Nice and in group.
Okay, good, Javier, good. What about Anjali?
And I did not find any mistake. They are performed well. They are taking initiative.
Okay, good, very good, Anjali. Okay, everyone, today's session, so you learned how to take initiative. Okay, these are the words I made you tongue twisters so that it will be an exercise for you all and you will be able to speak good English. So that is the main ultimate reason for me to give you those tongue twisters. Please do practice that at home. Every day you make sure you practice it. If there is any blockage or anything, you have any difficulties in pronouncing any word, these words, if you pronounce it correctly and then you keep on practicing this kind of exercise, tongue twister exercise, it will help you in clear pronouncing the word, and also fluency will be there. Okay, you will be able to speak the English language fluently. So keep on practicing that, and tomorrow we'll again join back. We'll again learn some new things. Anything, doubt, anything for today from your side, all of you? from your side?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, one student asked me a number.
Whose number?
I guess Georgia, Xavier. She told that she has some doubt, so she asked me a number. So should I give, ma'am?
Xavier, Miss Xavier. Okay, Xavier, you can ask me in the class itself. Right? You can ask me now only. What doubt you have, Xavier?
No, ma'am. But if I have any doubt, I can contact you. That's why I asked number.
Okay, now you have any doubt? Okay, you can ask me directly, okay? Don't have to think before asking me. I'm your trainer and I'm here to train you only. So you can ask me any point of time. Alright, Xavier? Okay. Okay. You can mail me in the official ID also. Is it fine? Okay. Okay, goodbye everyone. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too all have a great day. Thank you so much. Goodbye. With you.